Let me ask you something. How long have you owned your current vehicle? A year? 5 years? Maybe even longer? And in all that time, I bet there are buttons, settings, and capabilities you've scrolled right past without giving them a second thought. The automotive industry has buried so many clever solutions inside our cars that most of us drive around using maybe 40% of what we actually paid for. What I'm about to share with you are 10 features that separate the drivers who really know their vehicles from everyone else on the road. These aren't modifications or expensive add-ons. Every single one of these already exists in your car right now. Some will save you serious money, others could prevent a genuine emergency, and at least one of them is going to make you say, "Why didn't anyone tell me this before?" Let's dive in. Number 10. The hidden air filter nobody checks. Think about every breath you take while driving. That air doesn't just magically appear clean inside your car. It's being pulled through a filtration system that catches pollen, dust, exhaust particles, and all kinds of microscopic nastiness before it reaches your lungs. The problem is, this filter gets absolutely filthy over time, and most people never check it because they don't know where it is or that it's even there. Pop open your glove box and look inside. See those little tabs on the sides? Pinch them inward, and the whole glove box will drop down further than you thought possible. Right behind there, you'll find a plastic housing with your cabin filter inside. Pull it out and prepare to be shocked at what you see. Manufacturers recommend swapping this thing out every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but depending on where you drive, you might need to do it more often. City drivers dealing with traffic pollution, you'll want to check it annually. Live somewhere with heavy pollen seasons? Same deal. The visual test is simple. If it looks like you could sweep your driveway with it, it needs to go. Here's what nobody tells you about neglecting this. Your air conditioning system has to work significantly harder. When that filter gets clogged, that means more fuel consumption, more wear on your climate control components, and potentially hundreds in unnecessary repairs down the road, all because of a filter that takes 5 minutes to replace and costs about $20. Number 9. Programming your doors to protect you. Most vehicles built in the last 20 years have customizable door lock behaviors hiding in their computer systems. You can program exactly when your doors secure themselves and which specific doors unlock when you arrive. The security implications here are huge, especially if you're concerned about safety. Consider this scenario. You're driving alone at night and pulling into a gas station in an unfamiliar area. Instead of all your doors unlocking when you shift into park, you can set the system to unlock only the driver's door first. This gives you a moment to assess your surroundings before making the rest of the vehicle accessible. For passengers or family members, you manually unlock their doors once you've decided it's safe. Getting into programming mode varies wildly between manufacturers. Ford owners might need to cycle their ignition switch 8 times in rapid succession. Honda has their own sequence. Some newer vehicles let you access these settings directly through the touchscreen interface. Your owner's manual has the specific steps, or you can find video tutorials online by searching your exact make, model, and year. What makes this feature brilliant is its permanence. These settings get stored in your vehicle's permanent memory. You could disconnect your battery for a week, and when you reconnect it, your door lock preferences remain exactly as you programmed them. Your car genuinely remembers how you want it to behave. Number 8. The spare key hiding under your car. Your key fob has that obvious emergency key that slides out. Everybody knows about that one, but dig deeper. Many manufacturers install a second keyhole that most owners never discover, typically hidden under a small plastic cap on the passenger side door handle. Thieves generally check the driver's door and move on, which makes this passenger side entry point a smart secondary access route. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some vehicles, particularly from Toyota and Honda, come from the dealer with a magnetic key box already attached somewhere under the vehicle. We're talking about a legitimate spare key in a weatherproof magnetic case stuck to your frame rail or tucked behind the rear bumper. Not every car has this, but it's worth checking your purchase paperwork or calling your dealer to ask if it was included. Even if you don't have a factory-installed spare, investing $10 in a magnetic key holder is one of the smartest preventative moves you can make. The key is choosing the right location. You want somewhere that won't get blasted by road debris or scraped off by a curb. You also want it hidden well enough that a casual thief won't spot it during a quick look underneath. Behind a plastic bumper cover or on a protected section of frame near the rear wheels usually works well. Just remember where you put it. The whole security through obscurity approach doesn't help if you forget the location 3 months later when you actually need it. Number 7. The seatbelt loop designed to rip apart. Check your passenger seatbelts and loop for a small fabric loop stitched into the belt itself. This isn't a manufacturing defect or leftover material. This is called an energy management loop, and the engineering behind it is genuinely clever. That loop contains stitching that's deliberately designed to fail under extreme stress. During a severe collision, the forces on a seatbelt become enormous. Instead of the belt itself snapping, which would be catastrophic, that loop tears apart in a controlled manner. What this does is give the belt a few extra inches of extension at the exact moment when it matters most. This extension helps prevent whiplash injuries and reduces the severe chest trauma that can occur when a belt locks up too rigidly during impact. Research indicates this simple design reduces passenger injuries in frontal collisions by roughly 30%. You'll only see this on passenger belts, never on the driver's side. The physics of crashes affect drivers and passengers differently based on their position relative to the steering wheel, airbag, and dashboard. The driver's restraint system is engineered differently, while passengers benefit from this controlled energy absorption system. It's the kind of feature you hope you never have to rely on, but it's reassuring to know that engineers thought through these scenarios and built in protections that work silently in the background. Number 6. Mirror memory that ends the adjustment dispute. If you share your vehicle with a spouse, partner, or family member who's significantly different in height, you know the mirror adjustment struggle. Every time you get in the car, you're spending 30 seconds repositioning everything just to see properly. Your side mirrors can store multiple position memories, and you don't need expensive power adjustable seats to use this feature. The functionality is hiding in many standard vehicles, accessible through a combination of buttons that most people never think to press. The exact method depends on your manufacturer. In many GM vehicles, you hold down the mirror control switch while simultaneously pressing one of your radio preset buttons. The mirrors might twitch slightly to confirm they've saved that position to your chosen preset number. Now, whenever you get in the car, after someone else has been driving, you just tap that radio button and your mirrors automatically return to your perfect position. Some newer vehicles take this even further by linking mirror positions to individual key fobs. The car recognizes which key started the ignition and automatically adjusts the mirrors accordingly. You'll find this setting buried in your infotainment system menus, usually under personalization or driver settings. Think about how much time you spend fiddling with mirrors every time you drive. Over a year, that's hours of your life spent on something your car can do automatically in 2 seconds. The convenience is obvious, but the safety aspect matters too. Properly adjusted mirrors mean better visibility, which means fewer blind spots and safer lane changes. Number 5. Headlight washers you didn't know existed. Road grime builds up on headlights faster than most people realize. Salt in winter, mud in spring, dust in summer, all of it gradually coats your headlight lenses and can reduce your effective illumination by half without you consciously noticing, because the degradation happens so gradually. Your eyes adjust to the dimmer light, and you just assume everything's fine. Many vehicles address this with built-in headlight cleaning nozzles installed in or near the front bumper. These systems are connected to your windshield washer reservoir using the same fluid. The clever part is how they activate. The system monitors how many times you've used your windshield washers while your headlights are turned on. After the 5th or 6th activation, it assumes your headlights probably need cleaning too and automatically sprays them. Some cars include a dedicated button for manual activation, usually hiding somewhere in your dashboard controls. If you've ever been washing your windshield and suddenly got sprayed by mysterious jets from your front bumper, now you know what happened. Your car was trying to help you see better at night. Keeping this system functional matters more than you might think. Studies show that properly cleaned headlights can improve your nighttime visibility by up to 40%. That's the difference between seeing a pedestrian at the edge of your high beams versus not seeing them until it's too late. Just remember to keep your washer fluid topped off, because when the reservoir runs dry, both your windshield washers and your headlight washers stop working. Number 4, wipers that use invisible light to detect rain. Those automatic wipers that seem to know when it's raining. They're not using moisture sensors the way most people assume. There's actually a small module behind your rearview mirror shooting infrared light at your windshield and measuring the reflection that bounces back. When water droplets land on the glass, they change the way that infrared light reflects, and the system immediately knows precipitation has started. You can adjust the sensitivity of this system usually by rotating a control on your wiper stalk while the wipers are set to automatic mode. Turn it toward the more sensitive setting and your wipers will activate from the lightest mist. Turn it down and you need legitimate raindrops before the system responds. This prevents the annoying situation where your wipers are frantically swooshing back and forth because a bird flew over your car. Higher-end vehicles integrate this rain sensing with other systems. When the sensor detects precipitation, it might automatically close your sunroof if it's open. It might turn on your headlights if they're in auto mode. Some even adjust the climate control to prevent interior fogging before it becomes a problem. Your car essentially becomes weather aware and responds without you touching anything. The system does require maintenance though. If your windshield is dirty, particularly in the area behind your rearview mirror where the sensor lives, it can confuse the infrared detection. Similarly, if your wiper blades are old and leaving streaks, those streaks can trigger the sensor inappropriately. Keep your windshield clean and your blades fresh, and the system works flawlessly. Number 3, the trunk release that could save a life. Federal regulations require every trunk built after 2002 to have an emergency release mechanism designed to be activated from inside. The release is always designed to be obvious even in complete darkness. We're talking about bright yellow or green handles, glow-in-the-dark pull cords shaped like a T, or illuminated buttons positioned near the trunk latch where someone trapped inside could easily find them. Luxury manufacturers sometimes include multiple release systems. You might have a mechanical handle as the primary release, plus a kick sensor as a backup, or even smartphone app integration in newer models that lets you pop the trunk remotely. The redundancy exists because engineers recognize these releases can occasionally malfunction, and this isn't a feature where you want a single point of failure. This goes beyond child safety, though that's obviously a critical component. Adults can end up trapped in trunks too. Mechanics leaning into a trunk to work on something might have the lid accidentally close on them. Someone reaching for items in their cargo area could find themselves in a genuinely dangerous situation. And of course, there are darker scenarios where this feature has literally saved kidnapping victims. The release mechanisms are designed to require minimal force, specifically so that children can activate them. If you have kids, showing them where this release is located and how it works is absolutely worthwhile. Frame it the same way you'd explain a smoke detector or fire extinguisher. It's a safety tool that hopefully never gets used, but knowledge is power in an emergency. Number 2, real-time tire monitoring hiding in your menus. Your car's computer isn't just tracking whether your tires are dangerously low. It knows the exact pressure in each individual tire, and you can access that information whenever you want. This data is hiding in your vehicle's menu system. Depending on your car, you might need to scroll through your dashboard display, dig into your infotainment settings, or check a dedicated vehicle information screen. Once you find it, you'll see 4 numbers representing the current pressure in each tire, usually displayed in PSI. What makes this useful is watching how those numbers change. When you first start driving on cold tires, you might see 32 PSI across the board. After 30 minutes of highway driving, those same tires could be reading 35 or 36 PSI because the friction from driving generates heat, and heat expands the air inside your tires. The real value comes from spotting anomalies. Let's say 3 of your tires consistently read 33 PSI, but 1 is always at 30 SI. That's a slow leak. It's not dramatic enough to trigger your warning light yet, but it's definitely telling you that tire needs attention. Maybe you picked up a small nail, maybe the valve stem is failing. Either way, you can address it during your next oil change instead of dealing with a flat tire at the worst possible moment. Professional drivers use this granular data to optimize performance. Slightly higher pressure reduces rolling resistance, which improves fuel economy on long highway trips. Slightly lower pressure increases the contact patch, which can improve traction in certain conditions. Having the exact numbers lets you make informed choices instead of just guessing based on how the tires look. Number 1. Cruise control that learns how you drive. Most drivers know adaptive cruise control maintains a set speed and automatically slows down when approaching traffic. What they don't know is that the system has multiple layers of customization hiding in the settings. You can adjust how closely you follow other vehicles, choosing from typically 3 or 4 preset distances. You can modify how aggressively the system accelerates and brakes. Some vehicles even let you save completely different profiles for different drivers. The truly remarkable feature in newer systems is behavioral learning. The car monitors your actual driving patterns over time. How quickly do you typically accelerate from a stop? How much following distance do you naturally maintain? How do you handle deceleration when approaching slower traffic? The system observes all of this and gradually adjusts its automated driving to match your personal style. The most advanced implementations integrate Jeep's data and real-time traffic information. The system can literally predict slowdowns ahead of you based on traffic reports and construction zone data, adjusting your speed before you even see the brake lights ahead. This predictive approach saves fuel by avoiding unnecessary acceleration and hard braking cycles. What makes this the #1 feature is how fundamentally it changes the highway driving experience. Once you've customized the system to match your preferences, long trips become dramatically less fatiguing. The car handles the tedious parts of maintaining speed and following distance, while you focus on steering and monitoring your surroundings. It's the closest thing to autopilot that exists in most mainstream vehicles today, and the vast majority of people who have it never explore the settings deeply enough to unlock its full potential. So those are your 10 hidden features, every one of them already installed and waiting for you to discover them. No dealership upsells, no aftermarket modifications, just capabilities that have been sitting dormant in your vehicle, probably for years. Here's my question for you. Which one of these are you most excited to try out? Are you going to check that disgusting cabin filter, program your door locks, set up those mirror memory presets? Let me know in the comments which feature surprised you the most. And if this opened your eyes to what your car can really do, hit subscribe, because there's a whole lot more where this came from. Your vehicle is smarter than you think, and we're just scratching the surface.